Right near Vajrahalli metro station, a brigade's new project is coming, which could make living on Kanakpura Road a lot more convenient. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I'm your host Jetal and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Brigade Silvercrest by Brigade Group located near Kanakpura Main Road in South Bangalore. Well, in this video, we'll be exploring about project overview, location, amenities, super built-up area, booking process, launch discount offers, and many more. So now we are here on the actual site of the project and let me show you the surrounding of our project. So I'm standing just in front of the land parcel. This is the land parcel where the construction work will start soon and the marketing office which is getting ready inside. The main entrance will be coming up on my right hand side over here. Now let me introduce you all to Housey. So what is Housey? Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers resulting in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with project overview. So our upcoming project is spread across 2 acres of land parcel consisting of single tower of 2 basement ground and goes up to 28 floors, where you can choose between 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and 4 BHK premium luxury apartments. This is an ultra luxury low density project with 75% of open space. If I talk about location, then our project is located right off to Kanakpura Main Road in South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of our project where I'm standing on the main entrance. So here they will be coming up with the main entrance and this road on the right hand side will connect you towards Anjanapura Main Road and the opposite side road will take you towards Kanakpura Main Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity part. So you can connect to Vajrahalli metro station within 5 minutes. KSIT is also 5 minutes away. DMart 10 minutes. ISKCON Vaikunta Hills also 10 minutes from our project. And when it comes to amenities, Brigade Group offers you 40 plus world-class amenities. Like of you get 12,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, kids play area, multi-purpose court, banquet hall, landscape garden, open space to relax and many more luxurious amenities. Now just wait for a while. Are you looking to buy a home in Bangalore? Then I have a great recommendation from our end. Housey is here with its new series called Rights of Home Buyers. As many home buyers are not aware of their basic rights. For example, if you purchase a home by paying a token amount to a builder and later on cancel your booking, in this situation, how much amount a builder can legally deduct? Or else even after possession there is any construction related issue happening in your project, is builder liable for the same or not? All this is explained in a very simple and easy manner in our series. So before you buy a home, you must watch this series once. The link of our series is mentioned in the description link below and even in the I button. So go and check it out before you buy a home. Now coming to super built up area, so we have 3 BHK, 3 BHK plus study room and premium 4 BHK options available in our project, where 3 BHK starts from 2010 square feet, 3 BHK plus study room is 2158 square feet and 4 BHK homes of 2685 square feet super built up area. Let's now talk about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage where we are open with the EOI, that is expression of interest window. So we are inviting all our interested clients to come and visit our site where our sales team will explain the complete project overview, will share the payment and pricing scheme and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can submit the bankable EOI. So everyone, this was a teaser of Brigade Silvercrest by Brigade Group located off Kanakpura Main Road in South Bangalore. If you are looking for more details of the project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheet.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.